And the judge ruled that no, he will not strike out the matter. That's one part. The second part is that in that application we made, we also applied for the remedy of certiorari. That is a remedy that gives the court the power to quash anything that was done. So not only declare that it was wrong, but do something to say that it was ineffective. Something very declaratory is just saying it was wrong. Certiorari gives you the power to now say, okay, not only was it wrong, it was totally void, null, everything, and you must act therefore accordingly. The decision on that matter was very important as well, simply because what is happening is that is a remedy that is usually given for judicial review, but we did not apply for judicial review, but yet we want that remedy. However, the legal system, as it has evolved over the years, realizes that you can't tie the hands of court, and in the interest of justice, you should be able to allow a judge to make any order that it wishes to in the interest of justice. And so when we put that in, is because we knew that the law allows for it. Not because it is being allowed in this proceeding at this stage, it means that the judge will rule that way. You know, but it's just keeping the options open. So that was the two major decisions this morning. They're all connected, but that was a major point that had been argued by the government, that at minimum they should have struck out that remedy.
Okay, now this brings to my mind the 9th Amendment, that famous 9th Amendment, which turned the 8th Amendment, just came up in court last year, and it was a subject of a lot of conversation, controversy even. Does this concern you, that this term that was used and applied in the court, that the government might now legislate or enter into the legislature something that would discourage or that would deter the courts from intervening or interfering, quote unquote,
in providing that remedy? Well, honestly, Marian, I never thought about it, but you know that governments have the power to legislate. However, the court is a bastion of democracy. They are the third leg that we stand on. And if that ever happens, just to try and quash any ability of civil society, individuals or groups, from challenging decisions of the government, be assured that a group of us, many of us, will become very vocal. But I really can't see it being done just for this case, to remedy this case. That would really surprise me.